Finally, we have parked our bikes at Oldie Bangalore Resort, two-wheeler parking.
Oh yes. Yes.
So now there are this many bikes, guys. They're close to about 100 plus bikes is what I believe we have today. So yeah, all the bikes, all the colors, all what you can see here. So there's no color what you would miss. And guys, one quick thing I wanted to cover here. A lot of you asked me questions about if I am going to install the panniers, do I need to remove the sari guard? So to that point, I just saw one bike here which had the sari guard as well as the panniers. So let's quickly take a look at that. All right.
What now? Go there and film the breakfast and registration.
Okay.
No registration inside. Yeah, done. You have a micro USB cable. We need a micro USB cable. Micro USB no. Type C I have. I think so.
Okay, guys. So this bike belongs to one of my friend Dilli Babu. So he's here, right here with me. He was talking to me a while ago. A very nice gentleman. So guys, here if you can see, the sari guard is intact and the pannier has been put in. Okay, so the mounting point for the sari guard is totally different. It doesn't interfere anywhere with the panniers, so you can safely go with the sari guard with the panniers. So here's my friend Dilli Babu.
Yeah, hi Vinay.
So this bike belongs to him. So what we were just talking about right now is many of our friends had questions that hey, if I am having sari guard, can I install panniers, or if I install pannier, do I have to remove sari guard? So see,
It's completely different one.
yeah,
Absolutely have both of them.
yeah, so that query must be answered now. So all of you have answers to that question now. So that's one point what is being cleared. So let's go ahead and take a look at rest of the bikes and then get to the venue.
Yes, Vinay. Yes,
Yeah, please join Dilli Babu. Let's go.
I can carry.
Thank you. So guys, yeah, a lot of bikes here. I think this is the first time anyone would have got to see so many Honda CB350 bikes.
More than 100.
Yeah, more than 100. But for some reason I don't see the plain black in numbers for some reason, and that's my bike. There is one, but till then I have not seen one plain black. The plain Night Star black. Yeah, there is one there.
Yeah,
There is one here. There is one there. Finally.
you can see plenty of greens.
Oh yeah.
Black.
So guys, another interesting mod. Many of you are asking what about carrier, right? So guys, take a look at this. It's done beautifully. It is got fitted to the, I think, the stock grab rail with the screw, Allen screw here, and a clamp under the seat. So I think this is going to help you guys to mount your saddlebag or the top box whatsoever. So if I meet the owner, I will definitely try to get the details of the fabricator or the vendor who's selling this product. So yeah, so that's an interesting one. So quite a few blacks as well here. So yeah, So some very young pillions joining us at the ride. So
So you can target it, huh? This also is
yeah, some another one. I think this is going to be used for mounting the top box, guys. So done very neatly.
from here.
Yeah, it's fitted right to the shock absorber mount, and then to the rear grab rail mount, and then here to give it some very solid support. So you can carry, say, any kind of top box on this, ranging from 25 liters to 60 liters. So long touring can be done if you have this kind of a setup. So that's a good one, guys. Yeah, so far I think definitely more than 100 bikes. What do you say?
You have to take this note very importantly.
Yeah.
He's put a handle riser.
Yeah. Okay, interesting. So guys, these are those carbon racing
Yes, correct. Same.
handlebar risers what was produced as a prototype by Ravi and his team from Carbon Racing. So yeah, looks very well integrated, but something which one needs to test it out and see how the handling stability works out with this one. Yeah, so it's going to make it more upright and more good for saddling. Many of you asked, hey, can I do saddling on this? If the handlebar is high, yes guys, you can definitely do it. So that's an interesting one here. And another very interesting backrest what I'm seeing here is this one. This looks like a donut. I really love donuts from Krispy Kreme. So this is my favorite donut.
When I went to market yesterday, one guy who is manufacturing this, he came to my bike and told me. Yesterday when I went to market, one guy came here who's a manufacturer of this same donut kind of backrest, and he's seen me my bike with panniers, okay, and he again changing his design to fix that one also.
Okay.
So he took me appointment from me to come Monday.
So you want to integrate this
yes,
to the
exactly.
panniers?
Yeah,
Okay.
but what is already having for him the same kind of setup. If
Yeah.
panniers comes, then there is a problem. You cannot
Correct.
fix this.
Correct.
So now I think he made change the design now
Oh.
to fit into this kind of design.
Interesting. So guys, a lot of accessories are going to come from aftermarket for this bike. So we just need to hold on, have some patience, and then get what we really want, right? So a lot of stuff is going to come.
This seat completely different.
So yeah, so very unique seat cover has been put by this gentleman. It's a sort of a orangish brown to complement the bike. So looks good. So yeah, so real time guys, here you can see the top box mounted as well. So top box, this is a 29 liter shared top box, the smallest of the size what you can get. So this is mounted exactly on the same kind of accessory what we saw on the other bike. So yeah, done really neatly, and I think this bike belongs to one of my friend by name Srinivas. He is a very senior rider and gentleman who I really admire. So yeah, so I think wow, I have an Africa Twin here. All right guys, some different crash guard I'm seeing here. So this crash guard I think was made available at Honda Big Wing, not a OEM, but yeah, something in chrome if you like one. But yeah, really looks okay. And one more bike with the same crash guard. So guys, this is the Oldie Bangalore resort. Beautiful resort, quite an old time resort in Bangalore. and it's known for its ambience and greenery here. So guys, this is the welcome desk. So hi, good morning.
Your name, sir?
Vinay,
Age, sir?
43.
Contact number?
99
99
800
800
712
712
78. Yeah, thank you. So guys, yeah, that was the registration desk, and now we have entered the area where the event has been planned. So we can see the drone flying around and recording the entire event here. A couple of drones here actually, which are moving around and recording the entire stuff. So yeah, a lot of bikers here in hundreds, and a lot of pillions who have joined them on the ride. So yeah.
Yeah? That was crazy. Thanks, man. We wait to see what he takes in that road. Have like 50 bikes. Those are like freestyle roads. So game side.
So interesting.
That guy.
So guys, there are some stalls which have been set up here at the event. So I think this is going to be the Bluetooth unit which will go with the bike. So it's called Parani M10 motorcycle by Senna. Okay. So its MRP is at about 5,999. Yeah. Is this the device what will go with the bike?
Yes, sir. This you can use regardless of the bike. You can use this with any helmet.
Okay.
Who's got the AGV?
He was here.
Alright, so that was the one. And guys, these are the saddlebags. These are the saddlebags what Honda is selling as an accessory. And as you can see, these are mounted on this particular bike. And yeah, there is a panniers, and this is mounted here. And these are really very high capacity by luggage, guys. These are very high capacity, so each side is going to be about 30 plus liters. So total carrying capacity will be about close to 60 liters approximately. So where you can tour for about say more than 2-3 weeks or even a month, depending on how you pack. So looks really good as well, doesn't look out of place. And look at the gap between the silencer and the bag. So you got enough of room here, so there's no way that this is going to touch or this is going to swing into the wheel well. So
Vinay.
hi, how are you? Hi.
We continue with it.
Yeah. So a lot of people asked about luggage and all that, so I thought I'll
great.
go ahead
I
and
keep
cover
watching
this.
all your videos. So I'm also your follower.
Sure.
And subscribe. You can follow me.
Thank you. I didn't get your name.
My name is Rajendra Singh.
Rajendra
I have
Singh, hi.
commented also that
Yes.
the mud guard flap which you have put that, and that mobile holder, and three things which I have done looking
Yeah.
at only your videos.
Really nice to meet you.
Thank you.
By the way, you are live.
My pleasure.
You are live.
Thank you.
So guys, this is the Oldie Bangalore resort. Beautiful resort, quite an old time resort in Bangalore, and it's known for its ambience and greenery here. guys, this is the welcome desk. So hi, good morning.
Your name, sir?
Vinay,
Age, sir?
43.
Contact number?
99
99
800
800
712
712
78. Yeah, thank you. So guys, yeah, that was the registration desk, and now we have entered the area where the event has been planned. So we can see the drone flying around and recording the entire event here. A couple of drones here actually, which are moving around and recording the entire stuff. So yeah, a lot of bikers here in hundreds, and a lot of pillions who have joined them on the ride. So yeah.
Yeah? That was crazy. Thanks, man. We wait to see what he takes in that road. Have like lucky bikes. Those are like freestyle roads. So like like 100, 120.
So interesting.
That guy.
So guys, there are some stalls which have been set up here at the event. So I think this is going to be the Bluetooth unit which will go with the bike. So it's called Parani M10 motorcycle by Senna. Okay. So its MRP is at about 5,999. Yeah. Is this the device what will go with the bike?
Yes, sir. This you can use regardless of the bike. You can use this with any helmet.
Okay.
Who's got the AGV?
He was here.
Alright, so that was the one. And guys, these are the saddlebags. These are the saddlebags what Honda is selling as an accessory. And as you can see, these are mounted on this particular bike. And yeah, there is a panniers, and this is mounted here. And these are really very high capacity by luggage, guys. These are very high capacity, so each side is going to be about 30 plus liters. So total carrying capacity will be about close to 60 liters approximately. So where you can tour for about say more than 2-3 weeks or even a month, depending on how you pack. So looks really good as well, doesn't look out of place. And look at the gap. Look at the gap between the silencer and the bag. So you got enough of room here. So there's no way that this is going to touch or this is going to swing into the wheel well. So
Vinay.
hi, how are you? Hi.
We continue with it.
Yeah. So a lot of people asked about luggage and all that. So I thought I'll
great.
go ahead and
I keep
cover
watching
this.
all your videos. So I'm also your follower.
Sure.
And subscribe. You can follow me.
Thank you. I didn't get your name.
My name is Rajendra Singh.
Rajendra
I have
Singh.
commented also that
Yes.
the mud guard flap which you have put that, and that mobile holder, and three things which I have done looking
Yeah.
at only your videos.
Really nice to meet you.
Thank you.
By the way, you are live.
My pleasure.
You are live.
Thank you. Personally, thank you. That because of you, I made 3 accessorized in my bike. I
Yeah.
didn't say customized, but accessorized. The biggest thing is helping me with
Yeah.
the mud flap.
Seriously.
Given
Seriously.
the entire setup. Amazing.
Yeah. Easy one to do. Anyone can.
A local shop.
Yeah.
I got for 52 rupees that
Okay.
flap. That is from I think Yamaha.
Okay.
Then he gave me 3M tapes. So I just
Put it. Yeah.
it was so easy. Thank you very much again.
Welcome here.
Just check over there what the line is.
So yeah. So this is the waterproof liner, guys. So anything you put it in this. So this is removable. So anything you put it in this is going to remain waterproof. So again, yeah. So all of this comes with the Viterra bag. You can choose to buy this from the Big Wing or even from the Viterra website directly. Very huge luggage carrying capacity. So 30, it's close to about 30 plus. So all put together about some 60 liters. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. So guys, yeah, one of the gentlemen is getting the device installed in his helmet. So it's being done right here as we see. So how much did this cost you?
6,599.
Okay.
Flapping in screen.
So it costed about 6,000 rupees, guys. So it's being rigged and fitted in the helmet.
Connect with this device.
Oh, okay, my phone and this I can connect.
Yes, no application required. Like you use a Bluetooth.
So again, yeah, device is from Sena and it's about 6,000 rupees. Should be a good one to go for. Yeah.
When the bike is not there, you control on here. I'll put this one, which you can remove later.
Yeah. So guys are queuing up and
Even we have one more option there.
so yeah. Here I have Mr. Shivram, who's one of our fellow CB350 bike owners. So he's got this matte black with the dual paint finish bike. So quickly I'm going to feature a couple of modifications what he has done on the bike, which is very unique to the bike. So along with Shivram, we have Mr. Prajwal as well.
Right.
So he's his brother, both are brothers. So Prajwal rides this bike, which is the glossy one, and Shivram has the matte finish. So yeah, so let's see what is there on this bike.
Hey guys,
So, hey
hello,
Shivram.
hi all, hi Vinay. Thanks for
Hi.
filming me.
Yeah,
Anyway.
yeah.
So this is from this is a leather grip, right? It is from Trip Machine, company called Trip Machine. Basically, they are into all bike related, especially classic bike related products they sell. So they have quite a few even panniers and all of those things, because I have not got that done. But this grip, it's made of leather. It's like a band kind of thing, right? You just wrap it up to it, and it feels really nice to hold. Been using it for probably 1 month or something now.
Okay.
It looks nice and also very good to hold. It has a nice grip to it, and it gets even other colors also.
Okay.
So you can definitely try
So
it out.
is this available online or?
Yes, online. You can get it in Amazon, or
Okay.
you can order it from Trip Machine.
Okay.
that
And
website.
it comes out of the box and then you just roll it up and it.
Yeah, there will be a 3M tape
Okay.
to it. Put it. You just wrap it up.
Okay.
And in the last, they will give glue something.
Okay.
So you just taper it in the end.
Okay. So
That's it.
anybody
It's
can
done.
just do it at home.
I did it myself.
Okay.
DIY.
Great. Great.
Nothing
Great.
more to it.
So,
And you also get this tank bag, which
So
looks,
very interesting bag he's got, guys. So
Yep.
this you will not believe that it's a tank bag. It is sitting on his belt actually at this point in time. So let's quickly see how this doubles up as a tank bag.
So it's basically a tank bag which has magnets on it. So it is a very powerful magnet. You just stick it to your tank, and that's about it. And today's ride from Honda, I've been driving at a decent speed, 80, 90 with crosswinds everywhere. It doesn't even move. You can see I'm shaking the tank. I'm tank bag. The bike is shaking. So
Yeah.
that's how solidly it sticks to the tank. And this also has a magnet. You can put a lot of things, whatever you want. Your aviators, or you want to put your sanitizers, or else your scarf. And most importantly, CB comes with a USB charger. The people who don't have, they need power bank, right? Especially people like you, Vinay. You really need power bank or your GoPros. Everything just fits in there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's a great fit. If you want, you
The
can.
best part is it's a no nonsense for the tank.
Yeah,
You need not
doesn't
worry
put any
about scratch on the tank
Correct.
or anything like that.
correct.
And it's really of a premium quality.
Yeah,
Definitely a go-to thing if you ask me.
And
Nice.
also this Bobo
yeah, looks really
the
good.
mobile holder.
Mobile
Looks
holder,
really
it comes
good.
with a waterproof one. And
very sturdy
it's
indeed.
very sturdy. And you have seamless video recordings with this. Like,
I actually did a video recording this way. I don't have a GoPro. Put it, turn on your camera, and you're good to go. You
Amazing.
can even record a video.
Amazing.
Yeah,
amazing.
so
it's very sturdy. It doesn't move
it's
around.
really
That's the
sturdy.
best part about
Really
this
there are
one.
two models with this.
Yeah.
One comes with the charger.
Yeah,
Since Honda has already offered it inbuilt, we just went with this.
sure. Very nice set of two mods, guys. So hopefully you will be getting some more. Accessories and all that.
Planned for.
Yeah.
Thankfully, we got.
Yeah, that was a big relief actually. Honda provided us.
Thankfully, we got that. So, a couple of more things are planned.
Yeah.
So it will come through, and very
Sure,
happy. And thanks, Vinay.
Thanks a lot, Vinay.
You've been a blogger, I would say, who is unbiased. Even Sham was telling the same thing.
Yeah.
That's more important in these days where people get paid for everything you do. I've been seeing you blog everywhere around here. Being an unbiased vlogger, that's the one thing I really appreciate, and I want even people to appreciate that, because they get to know the truth
Thank you.
in every way.
Yeah.
So that helps even the customer or whoever buys a bike or anything, that helps them to choose the right thing what they want for themselves.
The exact motive of starting this exactly about a month ago was to give value add
Exactly.
and tell what is good, what is not good. Simple.
That's what
So
needed.
I just follow those three principles. I don't have to make money out of this. If I had to, probably I could have done 10 years ago. But I never intend to do that. But really nice connecting with you, gentlemen, and going over your bike and seeing those very innovative and very useful accessories on the
useful
bike.
accessories.
Yeah.
For sure.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank
Have a good
you.
day.
Good
Bye-bye.
day.